What's up, guys? We're down here at the Great Wolf Lodge in North Carolina. We are having a ball. We have played laser tag. We have been to the pool. We have did the virtual reality. We have went to Build-A-Bear. We are absolutely killed. We might go. We went bowling. We went to the arcade. We might go buy a Billy Graham Bible. And oh my goodness, they say Santa Claus is here. The best thing that could happen here is if Jesus Christ himself would split the eastern skies, and Rich Rodriguez is WVU's new head coach. What a day to be alive. Let's go Mountaineers. Let's go Trump. Woo! Thanks for watching our videos. If you want to check out our vlog video, just keep on watching. Let's go. Happy birthday, Tay Tay. Let me see what you got for your birthday. You got the birthday ears?
Milk.
Well, Daddy gave you the milk. Be careful with it.
Happy birthday. No happy birthday to nobody.
Look, let me see your little pen they gave you.
Happy birthday to me.
And they gave you a birthday wolf, didn't they? You like that?
Nah, bro.
You like that wolf?
Yeah, he did a meal.
Hey, he's got a little birthday cake, don't he? Happy birthday, buddy. I hope you have a good time on your birthday trip.
Ready to fight? You don't want a bed, bubble on. Is this my bed?
Beautiful, Clark.
Here's what's gonna get. I don't have any tape.
Happy birthday and show.
It says birthday, howls, and cheers.
You got the wrong one. Yes, okay, they found it.
Vamos, Ceci.
Hello, Sissy girl. You get cold?
She's getting wild over there.
You wild.
She wants to run.
You getting wild over there?
mind. I'm going back in.
No, I didn't play that. They want that. Did want that thing.
Okay, good job.
How you
Put it back up there. You can have
Look at that whole wall. You getting all that? Every bit of it blue?
Some of it.
Maybe be careful. Here. There you go. There you go. What is that blue, anyways? What's it? What is it?
Shimmering off that.
I don't know what that is. What's
Those are called Mackinacs. Okay, let's go find something else.
Look, can you get more? Look.
You ain't gonna be able to fit but a few in that one now.
Hey.
Tucker, you're making a mess.
How you feel it like that? Don't be tired on with that. I just dropped one in the bowl. There we get.
Okay, that's good. Tucker, that's enough. I'm making a mess.
So, see? I'm thinking it's
Oh,
Put it in your bag.
She laughed. Oh.
here you go.
Thank you.
Hey, get out of your shirt,
Let
Tatum.
me see. Which one? Which one?
Bam.
Which one?
Baby, get out of your shirt.
Back.
Okay, let's do the wolf.
Tatum's got the deer, and what are you getting?
She's gonna get a wolf.
Back.
That's a girl from Tatum.
That's a wolf. Big boy.
That's a dragon. That was a cool one. Perfect.
Finish this one first, okay? Alright, now I want you to squish it, make sure it's soft enough for you.
Give me the squeeze.
Good hugs.
Is it good?
Alright, so first off, I want you to take that heart and I want you to give it a really, 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 really good shake. Shake that so it's got a good heartbeat. You're going to shake it up high so it catches all your dreams. You're going to rub that on your forehead so you're super duper smart.
Rub it on your forehead so he's smart.
You're going to rub it on your muscles so it grows up big and strong. And on your knees so he always needs you. And I want you to hold that heart really, really close. Close your eyes. Make a big wish.
Okay.
Alright. Then you can put that heart right inside here. Awesome. Now do you have any birthday today? Yeah. Awesome. Happy birthday,
Santa Claus. Look, guys. Hey, tell him that your daddy wants an F-150 Lariat. Can you remember that? F-150 Lariat. Throw that out to the big man.